wabarakatuh. Good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Astianti Nurul Prasetya from class 11 TKJ1. Here I will present Module 3, Network Model. Networking model a component in network architecture that is used as standard in the data communication process of devices in a network. Besides being a standard, this networking model also provides guidance on how data is sent, received, and produced in a network. Definition: before networking model existed, each vendor created their own networking model because each vendor has a diverse networking model. Communication between vendors is default, so the effort to build a very large computer network is default. Therefore, a standard or minimum specification was created by ISO, or International Organization for Standardization, namely with the name OSI, Open System International, or it or it can also be called the OSI 7-layer model. Choose networking. This network will be default to understand and implement. Model networking. Easy to manage to structure place. Each component has same language to communicate. There are two networking models, namely networking now uses the TCP/IP model. This is because TCP/IP less formal than OSI. On the other hand, because OSI is more complex, it is often used for educational purposes. OSI model. The OSI model was developed by the International Organization for Standardization (ISO) as a framework for connecting disparate systems in a network. The OSI model breaks down the communication process into 7 layers, from physical to application, to provide consistent communication standard. TCP/IP model, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. The TCP/IP model, also known as the Internet Protocol model, is the foundation of Internet networking and is designed to be simpler than the OSI model, which has only 4 layers. It was created by the U.S. Department of Defense (DoD) IT, combining the function of several OSI layers into one larger layer. Main function of the OSI model: help in understanding and designing complex network systems, optimizes interoperability between devices and networks from different vendors, identify and troubleshoot problems at specific layers in network communication. How TCP/IP networks work. 1. Break data into small packets. The first way it works is by breaking data into smaller packets before being transmitted to another medium, which is called a layer. Packet 2. Packets are sent via router. The router functions the send and determines the delivery route for data packet. 3. The packing was specially sent to the destination. Once the packet has been sent and arrived at its destination, the TCP/IP layer then format the respective task starting with translating signals into data and finally compiling the into a complete file. OSI TCP/IP model structure. OSI application, presentation, session, transport, network, data link, physical. TCP/IP application, transport, internet link. TCP/IP application, transport, network, data link, physical. TCP/IP model structure. 1. Application layer. Server as in interface for application or software to communicate over a network. Protocol HTTP, VTP, SMTP, and other. TCP/IP application layer. Communication process according to HTTP. TCP/IP model structure. 1. Transport layer manage data delivery and ensure reliable communication between applications on different hosts. Main protocols TCP and UDP. TCP/IP model structure. TCP Transmission Control Protocol. TCP uses connection data is sent sequentially, prevents data corruption, and makes it easier to find and fix errors. On the downside, there is a lot of two-way communication between the two parties, so as takes longer. TCP/IP model structure. UDP User Datagram Protocol, not connection based. Identification mark or serial number does not current delivery errors and does not care if packages are lost. On the positive side, UDP send data much faster than TCP. Main functions of TCP/IP model. The TCP/IP model focus more on functionality and efficiency compared to the OSI model, with the main functions 1. Profit communication standard in network and the internet. 2. Complexity by combining multiple OSI layers. 3. simplify the protocol by using only four core layers. TCP/IP network layer. The network layer is the process by which each computer device is assigned an identity in the form of an IP address. The IP address serves as a useful address for connecting multiple devices within a network. Furthermore, IP address can prevent address error during packet delivery. TCP/IP network layer. For the network layer, the tree is only one example, namely IP. IP provides two very important features, namely addressing and routing, which function to handle connectivity and path selection. Each network device requires a unique address on the network. Data link and physical layer. Data link defines the protocols required at the physical layer. One of the features of the data link is FCS, frame check sequence, which is an error detection mechanism only data error about recovery. The addressing used in the data link layer is the MAC address. The physical layer defines cabling in a computer network. Physical device what is used to connect device. Encapsulation dan decapsulation. On the sending computer, the process of breaking down data packet into smaller packets with different names according each layer occurs. After the packets are broken down into smaller bits, the data packet routing process is also carried out, which is called encapsulation. On the receiving computer, the opposite process occurs, namely the process of opening the packet crackers. From the standard decryption and the process of recombining the data packet fragments to a computer data packet. Encapsulation and decapsulation. That all from me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.